What it does. This example demonstrates a self-healing infrastructure using Python, which monitors disk usage on a Linux server. When the disk threshold is exceeded, it sends email alerts and Slack notifications, and automatically rotates logs to free up disk space. Command/example. Breaking it down. The script uses the sutil library to monitor disk usage and the symplib library to send email alerts. The schedule library is used to schedule the disk usage check every 5 minutes. The requests library is used to send Slack notifications. The rotate_logs function rotates the log file when it exceeds the maximum size. The check_disk_usage function checks the disk usage and sends alerts if the threshold is exceeded. Common mistakes. Forgetting to install required libraries, e.g. sutil, symplib, schedule, requests. Incorrectly configuring email and Slack notification settings. Not setting the correct disk threshold and log rotation settings. Not handling exceptions and errors properly. Try this next. Implement a more advanced log rotation strategy using a library like logrotate. Add more notification channels, e.g. SMS, Telegram. Integrate with a monitoring tool like Prometheus and Grafana. Use a more robust scheduling library like AppScheduler. Pro tip. Use a separate log file for each application or service to make log rotation and analysis easier. Implement a retry mechanism for sending notifications to handle temporary failures. Use a secure method to store sensitive credentials, e.g. email passwords, Slack webhooks. Monitor the script's performance and adjust the scheduling interval as needed to avoid overloading the system.